Big week for central banks, Francine, the Fed, the BOJ, the central bank in New Zealand, in Russia. They all meet this week. Mario Draghi, of course, the ECB president, got the ball rolling on Thursday when he signalled we could see further easing in March. His comments led to the big rally at the end of last week, spurring the biggest two-day gain in the MSCI All-Country World Index since October. Asian stocks today heading for their biggest two-day gain since 2011. European stocks achieved that feat on Friday, biggest two-day gain since 2011. And emerging market stocks, the MSCI Emerging Markets Index, is heading for its biggest two-day gain since 2011. Such symmetry. This is an index that's been battered in 2016. This is the chart for 2016 by China's deteriorating economy, the slump in commodity prices, and the prospect of higher U.S. interest rates. Now, that makes this week's Fed meeting all the more significant. Investors looking for clues the central bank is retreating from its base case of quarter percentage point rate increases in 2016. For the record, the MSCI Emerging Markets Index is down by 10% this year. It's heading for its fourth straight annual decline. That's the longest on record. Let's talk about crude oil, which has had significant moves in the last 3 days. Most of all, the last 2 days of last week, the biggest two-day gain in more than 7 weeks on Thursday and Friday. WTI jumping 21%. It's rebounded $6 from that 12-year intraday low of $26.19 on Wednesday. This is the chart for 2016, coming close. Yes, we are low today. What's significant that the rebound last week came as hedge funds cut their bearish bets on oil. Speculators' short position shrinking 8.4% in the week ended January the 19th. One man who correctly predicted the slump in the price of oil says oil will finish the year higher. He's Pierre Andurand. He's the founder of the $615 million Andurand Capital Management. He spoke to me and Betty Lou on Friday. He predicted oil will probably, Francine, rise to $50 a barrel this year and $70 in 2017. But crude has fallen by 14% this year.